So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to show to you on how to assemble the cylinder cover guys, or the cylinder head of the certain generator. This is a Yanmar generator engine guys. So we just overhaul the piston and we just finish installing the piston part of the engine, and right now we are installing the cylinder cover guys. So by the use of chain block, we have to install that cylinder cover properly, and as you can see guys, there is a reference mark that it has to be level with the adjacent cylinder cover. So this is the unit number 2, and it must be properly aligned with the other cylinder cover. So as you can see, we are installing the hydraulic jack. So for tightening guys, as per manual instruction, we have to follow that. So that's how we tighten the cylinder cover guys. So we are using the hydraulic pump manually, and the hydraulic tightening pressure of this is 63.4 megapascal guys. That's the maximum tightening. The range of tightening is 59.8 to 63.4 megapascal, and that's also the range for loosening guys. So approximately the setting point of this is when it is fully pressed up, or the hydraulic pressure is reached, is there is 3 to 4 holes of the lock nut guys. That's the setting point of the lock nut of our certain cylinder cover. So this is how it is being done guys, tightening and assembling of our cylinder cover certain generator engine. So the criteria here guys is when you lose, or when you completed tightening, the critical part here is the handling of these hydraulic hoses and the hydraulic jack. Is that it's very important to keep in mind always, is that when you release the pressure of the hydraulic jack, it has to be slowly to avoid back pressure guys. As you can see, when you release, is you have to do it slowly guys, to avoid back pressure for safety reasons. As you can see guys, our engineer is releasing it slowly to be safe, to be always on the safe side guys. So until here guys, I hope you learned something about this video. This is JB23 vlog. If you like this video guys, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.